katotohanan ng pagde-deploy ng 800 Philippine Marines sa West Philippine Sea, ayon kay AFP spokesman Colonel Arnulfo Burgos, wala pa sa 80 sundalo mula sa Western Command ang itinalaga sa naturang teritoryo. Pero wala itong kinalaman sa umunay pagtatayo ng infrastruktura sa Sancia City na minonitor ng Marines habang nagpapatrolya sa West Philippine Sea. Niliwanag ni Burgos na normal lamang ang deployment ng AFP sa lugar dahil may ilang taon nang nakadeploy ang Marine Battalion sa Palawan.
There is no truth to the published reports that there is a recent deployment of 800 Philippine Marine personnel in the area of Western Command. The only recent deployment in the area of responsibility of the Western Command is the arrival of the 3rd Marine Brigade Headquarters Command Group last Friday, which is composed of less than 80 personnel. This command group will provide command and control to the 2 battalion landing teams of the Philippine Marines that have been stationed there several years now.